What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the cabin air filter in a 2024 Hyundai Kona. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So the cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then if we take a look on the right hand side, we see this dampening latch right here. I'm just going to get my finger around it like this and pop that off. Now what we need to do is fold the glove box down, and in order to do that from both sides, we're going to push in towards the center, and then it's going to allow these stops to clear right here, this one that I'm touching with my finger, and there's another one just like it on that side. So I'm just going to push in towards the center of the glove box, and then until that stop clears. And if you have both your hands free, it's really easier to do these both at the same time. Same thing on this side, pull towards the center until that stop clears. And then that glove box will fold down like that. And it's just sitting on these hinges, so if it comes off, no big deal. We'll put that on at the end. But once we get our glove box folded down and we take a look up in here, this item right here is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. And there's these clips on the side that just pinch like this. So just pinch those clips together. And then that door will pull off like that. And we can see our actual cabin filter right here. So slide this out. This cabin filter will just slide out like that. And then when you're sliding your new one in, what you want to really pay attention to on the filter itself is this airflow right here. You want your airflow arrow pointing down towards the ground. So slide your new filter in again with that airflow arrow pointing down, and then we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So we'll grab our access door, and there was that pinch clip on the right side. And then on the left-hand side, there's just this tab. That tab slides into that little notch like that. And then snaps on. And then I'm just gonna pick this up, and I'll go ahead and pull this off in case yours came all the way off. So if your glove box comes all the way off, you just need to line up those 4 hinges on the bottom that you can see. Line those 4 hinges up, and it'll just kind of push on there. Then I'm just gonna pick the glove box up until those stops clear. Like that. And the final thing we need to do is come over here and reattach this dampening latch. That'll just push on. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.